Hello, it's Mike Levin here in Windows 10, although you might not recognize it considering quite how much I stripped out so that you can focus and go into the zone and have flow when you need it. But perhaps maybe a little too much. It's even unclear how to launch your app. So, little known fact, if you click that Windows logo, you can just start typing an app name and it works just like search. That's why you don't need the search icon showing there and distracting you. And you can right click it and pin it to start. And once it's in your start menu, I like to resize it to small. And then we can drag it out to your desktop and it becomes a link. When it's on your desktop, you can right click it and you can go to properties and you can give it a keyboard shortcut. I like to use Control-Alt-E for Edge, apply it, okay. And now we're going to do a little bit of time travel. Control-Alt-E to run Edge. We go into my presentation that you've been seeing in this video series. And we introduce myself to you. Tell you that we're in this series of beating back the chaos of Windows 10. And tell you that it's step 5, adding icons to the start menu in desktop, and as an added benefit, showing you how to create Windows shortcuts. So let's do that again. Let's do that with our OBS software for broadcasting and screen capture. Pin to start. Once it's in the start menu, to keep it nice and pretty, it's nice to resize it to small. You know what that icon is. We move it out to the desktop. We right click it and we go to properties. And we give it a keyboard shortcut, Control-Alt-O. Now I am already running OBS, so when I do Control-Alt-O, it will probably notify me of that fact. Yep, I'll cancel out of running it, but there you have it. Now we have a couple of apps on our desktop that we can launch with a keyboard shortcut. And it's still distraction free because once you actually run one of your apps, it opens full screen and it covers the taskbar even when we escape out of it. See, still very minimal distraction, just the apps you're running, and it allows you to switch easily between them. That's about all the functionality that you need out of an operating system. And so there you have it. This is where we're going to make Windows itself a less important part of your workflow, and the fact that it hosts virtual desktops where you can run full screen apps, often with a keyboard shortcut to launch them, is the point which will begin your transition to easily go from Windows to Mac to Ubuntu, any version of GNOME, any version of KDE, and basically become operating system independent through virtual desktops because your OS is just a shim. Thank you.